Hello everyone. Today topic is transform your emotions with EFT, a guided practice. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Truptisha and I'm here to help you transform your life through self-love and empowering techniques. Today we are diving into the EFT or emotional freedom technique, a simple yet powerful tool to release emotions, blocks, reduce stress, and find peace. Whether you are feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or just want to uplift your mood, EFT can work wonders for you. Make sure to stick around because we will do a guided EFT practice together that you can use anytime. So, EFT is often called tapping because it involves tapping on the specific acupressure point on your body while focusing on a particular issue or emotions. It works by combining modern psychology with the ancient wisdom of acupuncture, but the great news is you don't need needles. By tapping on these energy meridian points, you release negative emotions and restore balance to your energy system. Think of it as pressing a reset button for your mind and emotions. EFT has been shown to help with stress, anxiety, fear, pain, or even the improving confidence. So, EFT process has 3 simple steps. Identify your issue. Think of the specific emotions or problem you want to address. Then second, create a setup statement. This is a positive affirmations combined with acknowledgement of the issues. For example, even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely accept myself. Then step 3, tap on 9 points. We will tap on key energy points while focusing on your issues. So, are you ready? Let's practice together. Close your eyes for a moment. Think of a situation or emotions that's been bothering you. It could be stress, fear, or sadness, or anger, whatever your emotions will be. Rate the intensity on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the very intense. So you got it. Keep that number in mind. Now repeat after me as we tap on the side of the hand, also called the karate chop point. Even though I feel, here you say your emotions, whatever emotions will be. I am saying about the anxiety. So I will say like this: even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. So, these affirmations you have to repeat 3 times on one point. So, now we dive deep into the 9 meridian points of the EFT. So, we will now tap into 9 points. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Then side of the eye. I feel this anxiety. I feel this anxiety. I feel this anxiety. Then under the eye. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. Then under the nose, I acknowledge this feel. I acknowledge this feel. I acknowledge this feel. Then on the chin, this anxiety is here. This anxiety is here. This anxiety is here. Then collarbone. I allow myself to feel and release this. I allow myself to feel and release this. I allow myself to feel and release this. Then underarm. I am letting this go. I am letting this anxiety go. I am letting this anxiety go. I am letting this anxiety go. Same way, I am letting this anxiety go. I am letting this anxiety go. I am letting this anxiety go. Then top of the head. I am safe and I choose to feel calm now. I am safe and I choose to feel calm now. I am safe and I choose to feel calm now. So repeat this sequence 2 to 3 times and you just take deep breath in between. And you check while breathing your level is come down gradually. So take a deep breath and close your eyes again. Now re-rate the intensity of the emotions. Has it come down? If it's still there, that's okay. You just repeat this process and just sequence it same way, and gradually that emotions whatever you are treating, that will rate come down. So EFT is a process, and with consistent practice it works wonders. So that's it for today EFT practice. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, EFT is a tool you can use anytime to release stress and reconnect with yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs it. So thank you for joining me today. Take care and keep tapping your way to emotional freedom. See you in the next video. Thank you.